Welcome back, guys, and today I'm unboxing, what is this called? Cross Collision Battle Set. But with the battles, I have my friend, I'm not going to say his name because he doesn't want to, but we're going to battle these two bays, but also all my other bays over here. I have some new ones like Fornius and like Fafnir. Those are new for me. Alright, let's unbox this thing. And wait, I need to show the back. So the bays are left Apollo, left Astro, and then the other one is right Artemis. So I'll do left Astros first. It's a defense type, counterclockwise spin or left spin. Its stats are 2 for attack, 1 for burst, 11 defense, 3 weight, 5 agility, 1 stamina. It's a defense type, so I already said anything. For the slingshot gimmick, the power is 2 and the speed is 4. Now for right Artemis, it's a clockwise spinning bait or right spin, attack type. Now for slingshot, it's 2 for power and speed is 4. Attack is 7, burst is 1, 2 for defense, 4 for weight, 8 for agility, and 1 for stamina. So let's unbox this thing. Wait, I need to show what it comes with. So it comes with these two, the Sun and Moon bays, obviously. 2 slingshot launchers and a cross collision stadium. And look at, there's some bays on the side. Excalibur X4, Kratos K4, Achilles Z4, Achilles A4, and Valtryek V4. Now let's unbox this thing. Alright, tape here. Finally. Oh my god, this looks awesome. Alright, so I think this has the base parts, but then the bays are actually right here, so I got the layers. Check these things out. Oh my god, so precious. So let me take the layers out. So here is right Artemis's layer, and this is left Astro. It's kind of hard to say this name. Now we need to open this. And this also needs to be clipped, but take the menu away. The stadium looks awesome, by the way. Oh, the clips. Fix the stadium. The parts are here. So I'm gonna do left Artemis's parts. But if you want it combined and match, you're gonna need this red dual threat launcher, or you can do it with the tips. That's what my friend said. So I'm gonna demonstrate with this. See this part, the key, you put it right where the QR code is, and then you just turn the layer, and then you can just take off with whichever part you want. I forgot how I took it off, but we might do combinations in the next video I make with this. For now, yeah. But that's how you would make combinations. So yeah, and then you can just do that, and then take your red launcher, put it back, put the key back in, and turn it back the other way, so it's locked again. Now, the same thing with right Artemis. Now here are the parts. So I'll do right Artemis's parts first. I'll cut it. Alright, so it's missing weird. So I don't know what its disc is. Its disc is 6. Look at that. And then its tip. I forgot what its tip's name is. But I'm gonna show its tip. Can't get it out with the whole thing. Alright, so oh my god. Tip. Scissors, right. Cut all the way down. Put out. Here is the tip. I forgot what this is called, but it's like this kind of tip. I know I've seen this tip before. Put this awesome bait together. Wow, feels so good. Right Artemis. Now for left up Astro. Left Astro. Same disc as Revive Phoenix 10. And, I need to... Alright, thanks, Ethan. So... And then it's Tip. I forgot this one's name as well. Come on, get out. But at least, oh my god. Here's the combo. Put it together. Oh wait, this is the last thing, right? I feel like, right, Artemis is probably stronger anyway. Alright, get the launchers out. Put in the ripcords. The ripcords are straight. Wow. No, wrong way. Alright, now let's fix this cross collision stadium. Alright, so we need to put it on like, we need to, yeah, like that. And we need to open these clips so that, wait, there's chips in here. Like, if I lose the middle chips, then you're like, oh, wow, cool. That's actually pretty cool. So if I lose their middles, there's some more. Oh, that needs to be held up by these. So we need to take all of these out. Oh, can you get that? Thank you. So let's put these in for the stadium, like clips. Put them. I think this is how you put them in. Am I wrong? Can you help me, Jeevan? Sure. Got one in. Thanks. Oh wait, you do the leg clips. They're like for this. No, I'll do the leg clips. Wait, first we need to finish those other clips. So, all right. So, Jeevan, just you know what? Put these in while we're waiting. Oh my thing. Are you sure that's tight, Jeevan? Yep. Oh. Alright, let me put these in. The chips are kind of loose, I think, but whatever. Put this one in. And one more. This comes with way more than one, like 4. Yeah, so let's save these. Now, let's get on with some battles. The first basics battles for testing. Jeevan, you use this launcher. You're gonna use chip. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna be using, so Jeevan's gonna be using left Astro, and then I'm gonna be using right Artemis. So 3, 2, 1, red. Well, that was so hard to pull. Redo that. This is so hard to pull. I thought Astro was a defense type. 3, 2, 1. So I got that speed rail. You got stuck in the rail. Come on, Artemis, go to the moon bay. Jeevan, you can do whatever mode you want. You know that, right? I know which mode I'm gonna go with. How do you activate Slingshot with this?
Can you check with the Apollo too? Astro.
Oh, yeah, this is kind of like Fornius's tip. Just twist it. I'm just gonna stay with this mode. Alright, let's go. I don't think I know how to do this one. I think yours is already in Slingshot. I can't do it.
It's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. Alright, next battle. 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's go. Really good. We're going on. Let's see. Artemis is probably gonna win because he has way more stamina right now. Alright, so now I feel like we should use different base. So you use Calzar, because he's going to use his own Calzar. I'm going to use Artemis again. 3, 2, alright, so let's go. 3, 2, 1. Now 1 month old. May not seem the best. Alright, so looks like Artemis is going to win this. Now, here's what I'm going to do. You're gonna use left Astro. I'm gonna use Fafnir here. But then
Can't spin steel.
I don't care. I'm gonna use Fafnir. And then
How many battle, guys?
like maybe like 5 more.
Okay.
We have to use all my base. Alright, so next battle, Fafnir versus left Astro 320. Fafnir has way too much stamina, so I know that Fafnir is going to win. Unless like Astro bursts it or something. My Fafnir is brand new though. Alright, now this time I'm going to use... Wait, I'm going to use Artemis.
Can I use Fornius?
And he's going to use Fornius. You're going to obviously know who's going to win this. Fornius? Yeah, Fornius. 3, 2, 1, 3. Almost like Fornius burst or something. Come on. Now go, right strike. Come on. Artemis, go. Final strike. Oh no. I'm dead. Alright, can I use, now we're gonna do this. You're gonna use right Artemis and I'm gonna use, what is it called?
Left Astro.
Left Astro. Yeah, thanks, Steven.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I need to put this left. Wait, I need to get ready. 3, 2, 1. That was a fun launch. Steven, why are you using the Riptide launcher? Oh wait, you can. I forgot. Why won't this Ripcord go?
Need help with that?
Yeah, I might as well. Oh, I'm doing it the wrong way. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Remember, I'm left, what is it called, Jeevan?
Left Astro.
Left Astro. Jeevan is right Artemis now. Alright, so this is final 3. Give me right Artemis. Now I'm using that.
The last one?
No,
Last
first
one?
to 3 points. So now this is the last battle. First to 3 points.
Ask me Baker Skies.
No, you're using that. So this is the last battle, first to 3 points, and then we'll just see which bay is better.
Alright, because I need
3,
to...
2, 1. Did that count as a burst or was that a snipe even?
I
I think that was a burst.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a burst. So it's already 2-0. If Artemis gets 1 more point, then it's over for Astro. Oh, there's already dents in my stadium.
Burst again.
Alright, so that's the end of the battle, but thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like, and thank you. See you in the next video.